Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. In today's video, you're going to be watching how I like to do my nails at home. I got these supplies from my local Sally's Beauty Supply store, so I grabbed the Nail Bliss Pro Coffin style nails. I got their Wonder Bond glue and a pink buffer. To begin, you want to start off with freshly washed hands and clean fingernails. Then I'm gonna grab my pink buffer and buff my natural fingernails down just a little bit because this is going to help secure the bond. Next, what I like to do is try to figure out the sizes of which nail is going to go on which finger before I start gluing them. So I start looking at my thumb and I start searching for which one fits perfectly, and then I move on to the next nail until I have them all lined up. After selecting the right sizes for my fingers, I'm going to go ahead and take the Wonder Bond glue, which is a brush on, and I love that because it just makes it really simple to glue on and press on. So I'm just going to apply a couple layers of the glue. I'm going to take a nail and I'm going to press down and hold for about 10 seconds to make sure that it's really stuck and really glued on. I just continue to do this with the rest of my nails, just brushing on the glue and then picking the correct size and pressing it on, making sure to hold it for at least 10 seconds and then moving on right to the next nail. Alright, so now I have all the nails on, and so all I have to do now is kind of file off the top, because when you buy these nails, sometimes it still has like a little plastic piece attached to them. So I like to even it out and file it down a little bit. After that, I continue to take my Tropical Shine nail file and I like to file in the sides a little bit because I don't like my nails too wide. So I do like to bring them in a little bit so I can get more of that coffin slim shape that I'm looking for. And so I just continue to do this to all of my nails, of course my left hand and my right hand. And then this is how it looks before painting them, and I just absolutely love the shape. It really doesn't take too much time to shapen them a little bit. Now it's time to paint. So I got China Glaze. The red one is Flamboyant and the orange one is called More to Explore. And I asked you guys on my Instagram story which one should I paint my nails, and you guys voted More to Explore. So I went ahead and I painted my nails the More to Explore color, which I absolutely loved. I actually really liked asking you guys that question because I was gonna go more for the red, and when I tried on this color, I absolutely loved it. So thank you so much for everyone that voted. It turned out beautiful. You guys are gonna get to see it in the end, how my nails turn out. So yeah guys, I'm just grabbing China Glaze More to Explore color and I am beginning to paint my nails. So what I'm going to end up doing is applying 2 coats of the color to make sure that this color really shows through and pops. So I'm just going to go down every single finger, and after I've done one layer, I'm going to let it air dry, and then I'm going to go back in and apply a second coat. Okay, so after doing 2 coats on my left hand, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my right hand and just repeat the same steps on this hand. After that, I'm grabbing Lauren B's, this is like a nail growth serum, and I like to put it around my cuticle area for like shine and to moisturize, just so it doesn't look dry or crusty. So yeah, this is something I like to do, and I think it comes out really good. So guys, this is it. This is the final look on these coffin style at home nails. I hope you ladies like this video. If you do, please press like, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already for new videos to come, and follow me on my Instagram, Much More Than Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.